Hi everyone, just wanted to show you a live mouse slash rat trap that I'm working on today. So I cut these pieces from some logs of maple that had fallen recently in a storm. So basically the main piece of this trap is this U-shape piece of wood that I carved. And the other pieces are, I'm adding a lot of blocks of wood to it. This piece here basically covers the electronics on this side, but I'm probably gonna have to carve in a little bit here. This side has a hole for the sensor, for the opto sensor. These are the opto sensors, so you could get these from Amazon. Basically, it sends a beam here, and once the beam is broken by a mouse or rat, it will send a signal. The signal will go to the solenoid. Once the solenoid gets activated, this pin will go in, and the door is made of plexiglass. Once the pin goes in, the door will fall in here, and it will stop the door from going up once the pin comes back. So the top's going to be covered. I'm going to have plexiglass on the back and the front, and I could put plexi on the top as well. So these are the pieces of wood. I'm going to assemble it, and I'm going to show you in part 2. Now, where do you get all the parts? What do you need? So basically, you need a power supply. This is an old laptop's power supply, 19 volts, which is good enough. Most of my pieces are 24 volts, so this is enough for operating them. And you need a relay, so you could use all kind of relays, 24 volts. You could also go 12 volt, doesn't have to be 24, but because I had these using 24 volt. These sensors, you could get them on Amazon. Often they run from 24 to 12 volts. So this is the opto sensor that goes here. And normally these sensors, they have an output pin, output wire that will go to the relay, because the output from the opto sensor does not have enough power to run this solenoid. So it will activate the relay. Mechanical switch gives the power from here to the solenoid. So where do you get the relay? You could also get from Amazon. You can use automotive relays or just general use relays. You could also get them from old microwaves. The solenoids that I'm using, they're coming from either old dishwasher, old printer, or old tape recorder or VCR. You could also get these relay from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to assemble this, and I will record part 2 as soon as I'm